Hello, I'm Che, and today I'm here to explain to you how to change or add a HEPA filter to the Meaco 12-litre low energy dehumidifier. No nonsense, let's go. First things first, get your HEPA filter out of its packaging. Then pop off the dust filter at the front. Now, this particular one has an unusual shape. It is not rectangular, has a slight angle on this side, and that's important because it makes it a little bit easier to figure out which way around it goes in here. So, top tip, this one has Meaco written on it. That should be facing you. You should be able to see the words Meaco. So the tab should be at the back, facing into the unit. Just curl that tab around and slide it on in. It's as simple as that. That's it done. And there you have it. That's how you change the HEPA filter in the 12-litre low energy dehumidifier by Meaco. If this was helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you next time for more no-nonsense tutorials. Bye-bye.